Welcome everyone, Deronda here with Foods 101. Today I'm showing you how to make corn fritters. Corn is in season right now. It's nice, fresh, juicy. It's absolutely fantastic. The ingredients you're going to need for this is 1 cup of all-purpose self-rising flour, 1.5 cups of buttermilk, 1 cup of your self-rising yellow cornmeal, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a cup of oil. This can be olive oil, vegetable oil. I'm going to leave that up to you. 1/3 cup of finely grated Romano cheese, 1 egg, 1/3 cup of finely chopped spring onions or green onions, and 3 cups of corn. Now this is fresh corn. I'm going to show you how to microwave it. If you'd like to use frozen corn, you may. And if you'd like to boil this corn, I've added my YouTube food video link below on how to boil perfect corn in 15 minutes. Let me show you how to microwave this corn. To microwave your corn, I've got a paper towel. I've dampened it with cool tap running water, and I'm going to wrap it up like it's a blanket wrapping over the corn. So now this is ready to go into the microwave for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, this corn's gonna be hot and steamy. Let it rest for 2 minutes. After the microwaving time and after the cool down time, this is how beautiful and golden that corn's gonna be. And it's perfect every single time. I've been cutting my microwave corn off the cob. We have our 3 cups of corn, and look how beautiful that is. It is Corn Haven and smells absolutely so fresh. I've measured out 1.5 cups of corn. I'm going to set it off to the side, and next I'm going to take a medium bowl. I'm going to add the salt, cornmeal, flour. Whisk these 3 ingredients well together. I'm bringing back in that buttermilk. I'm adding 1 egg. Whoops. Okay, you can just dig it out of there. I'm going to whisk that egg right here into my buttermilk. Pour this into our dry mixture. Give it a lovely little stirring until your wet and dry ingredients just mix. And that looks perfect. Now we're going to add the cheese and those green onions. I want to get it all out of there. Give it a lovely little stirring. Next comes that 1.5 cups of corn. And remember, if you don't want to microwave your corn, go ahead and you can boil fresh corn or you can use frozen. I'll also leave that up to you. But the fresh is absolutely fantastic this time of the year. We have everything lovely and beautifully incorporated. Oh my gosh, and it smells so good. We're going to begin to fry our corn fritters. So over here to the stovetop, in a 12-inch skillet over medium-high heat, I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of olive oil. Swish it around in the bottom of your pan. You want to make sure your skillet's nice and warm. Here's that lovely batter. And I'm using just a large spoon. I'm going to get a spoonful and add it right here to the top of the hot oil, and you can pull it in if you get a little piece of your batter over here on the side, and that is going to fry for the next 2 minutes. So use your timer. After 2 minutes, it's time to turn those corn fritters, and look how lovely and beautiful that is. Be sure to use a spatula this size, about the size of your corn fritters. Time this for an additional 2 minutes on this side. And they smell delicious. 2 minutes are up, and I want to show you the bottom. Lovely and golden. I'm going to put them right back here on a plate. I wanted to share a great tip. Make sure you keep that pan cleaned out in between frying your corn fritters. Add the oil back in here. That way you won't get any little brown or dark spots of fried corn fritters that were left behind. And again, 2 minutes on each side is all you're going to need. And if you have a little stray piece like that, just pull it right into one of your corn fritters, just like that. Freshly fried corn fritters using fresh corn on the cob. And I can't wait to dig in. I'm going to show you how to serve this. Just pick up one with a fork. Remember that leftover corn? Oh yeah, we just serve a little extra here on the top. And let me tell you y'all, these go excellent with grilled pork chops, chicken, or if you just want to eat them by themselves, you can do that too. And looky there on the inside. And I can smell that fresh corn. Okay, gotta give it a try. Fantastic. Delicious. This is my to-go-to corn fritter recipe. It's the best. Absolutely the best. I bit into it. I got a burst of the corn. Those little corn kernels were just popping in my mouth. Very fresh. The Romano cheese comes through very nicely, lovely. That yellow cornmeal with that buttermilk gives it that lovely, nice puffiness that you get when you fry your corn fritters here, y'all. Fantastic. A perfect fritter recipe for the summer seasons. Use fresh corn if you can. If you can't, go ahead and use the frozen. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. These corn fritters will not disappoint. Give me thumbs up, leave me a comment, follow me here on YouTube or Instagram, and I'll catch you lovely people later.